Hello everyone, welcome to join this NetSec YouTube channel. In my previous video, I showed you how to install Android apps on Windows 11 through Amazon App Store. There are some requirements for you to install mobile apps and Amazon App Stores. You need to have proper RAM, at least 8 GB RAM, and you need to have SSD, processor requirement, and virtual machine platforms. If for some reason your machine is not meeting those requirements, then you will need to manually install WSA, Windows Subsystem for Android, and also you are able to sideload any Android apps into your Windows 11 as well. So in this video, I'm gonna show you step by step how you gonna install Windows Subsystem for Android manually, and also how you install Android apps into your Windows 11 system, even without meeting all those requirements. Now let's start it. As usual, I'm listing all steps and put them into video description. You can take them as reference to follow my video step by step to complete this task. So we're gonna check requirement and we're gonna find out if we can install Amazon App Store. If your system is meeting the requirement, it's gonna be very simple. As I showed in your previous video, just click search and then you can install all needed components for Amazon App Stores, for WSA, and then Android apps. You can search and install it. But for some reason you are not meeting the requirement, as I can show you here, you can go to get Windows Subsystem for Android with Amazon App Store. You can try to see if you can get it. You can open a link and then it will automatically open your Microsoft Store and see if you can install Windows Subsystem for Android with Amazon App Store. As you can see here, your storage device isn't supported for this product. You also can search Amazon App Store. It won't be able to let you download it and install it through Microsoft Store. What we can do is we can manually install it. We're gonna using a website's online service to generate download link for WSA. The Windows Subsystem for Android with Amazon App Store, we're gonna manually download a link to install it. We're gonna go to store.rg-adguard.net, this website. And we're gonna search WSA, this web store link. You also can get it from here. You just paste it in, choose a slow, and download the installation package. So you will find there's a 1.21 gigabyte link at the end of this search. Click it, and then you should be able to download it. There's a download security, but just make sure you keep it anyway. It will take probably less than 1 minute for you downloading, even it's 1.2 gigabytes. It's very fast downloading. We will continue the video after we finish this downloading. So the file has been downloaded, so we're gonna run from our PowerShell. The first thing, we may want to change the name. So let's get the name from here. Gonna run it as administrator. You're gonna using add app package command. As you can see, we are not able to install it since we didn't download the UI XAML.2.6 this file. Haven't installed yet the framework. Let's go back to here. We download x64-bit XAML.2.6. That's this file. It's only 4.65 megabytes. Just keep it anyway. Open file, install. That has been done. Then we go back to our PowerShell window, run it again. Since the installation is ongoing, we are going to also check the requirement. We need to install virtual machine platform as well. So in this case, to run the optional features, so we have finished the installer package for WSA Windows Subsystem for Android. The one more thing to run WSA, you also need to install virtual machine platform. So this, if you haven't installed that, just go to optional features, add it in. You will need to reboot your system to get Windows virtual platform to be installed. So it's finished. Let's give it a reboot. Our Windows 11 system has been rebooted. Now, if we have installed virtual machine platform, also Windows Subsystem for Android, you can find Windows Subsystem for Android. Also, you can go to the Windows Subsystem for Android with Amazon App Store, this web page, to go to Microsoft Store to find out this app. You can open it. You also can start from the start menu to find out Windows Subsystem for Android. Let's continue. So it's starting Windows Subsystem for Android. While we are waiting, we can also see if we can find out the Amazon App Store. No, so since we don't have Amazon App Store installed, we will have to manually download Android apps and using Windows Development Tools sideload the apps into Windows 11 system. So we're gonna download Windows Development Tools and then install it. That's our step 5. Just go to the Windows Subsystem for Android. And you should be able to see the settings here. One thing I would like you to enable is developer mode. The IP address right now is showing unavailable. So the Windows subsystem for Android has been installed. Our next step is to install Android debugging bridge tools from Android developer website. So we can directly search online and find our link to download it. By the way, all the steps and the links you should be able to find out from my blog post. I will post a link in the video description. So all necessary steps or links you will find out from this blog post as well. So we're gonna download ADB tools. So here is the development document telling you how to use ADB tools to sideload any Android apps. So we're gonna download SDK platform tools for Windows here. Check I have read and agree with the above terms and the conditions and download this tool. It shouldn't take too long, but I will stop my video and continue once it's completed downloading. Downloading shouldn't take more than 1 minute, but it based on your speed. It may take a little bit longer. You should be able to find it from your download folder. You can extract it. Actually, extracting gonna take quite a bit time. So once you finish the extracting, you can see this platform tools. You might want to move it to the root folder for easy to use. You can go to check, so you will see the ADB tool here. So now, since we have ADB tool, we should be able to sideload any Android apps. In this case, let's find out one Android apps, and then we can download the APK file and then sideload into the Windows. I want to search. I found a good one is Alipay. So there's no app for Alipay, but if you go to search online, you should be able to download it directly from its website. There's an Android version, Alipay. So you can directly download this APK file. So now we need to sideload it into the Windows system. To do that, you can click Manage Developer Settings and then wait starting Windows subsystem for Android to be loaded. So there's a Windows Defender Firewall blocks and features, but we will need to allow this access. So after that done, you can try to refresh your IP address. It was working now after I did disable Windows Firewall, so you should be able to get the IP address here. And you also should be able to launch Manager Developer Settings. Again, if you have an issue to get the IP address, you may want to disable Windows Defender. So that's the only changes you will need it. After that, you should be able to go to command line. Go to the command line, run as administrator. And 3D, you should have platform tools, ADP connect to this 172 IP address. So it says failed to connect to 172.32.27, but you should be able to try it again and then connect it to it. ADP install Alipay application, so performing streamed install. That shouldn't take you too long to get it finished. So it was successfully installed. After that, you should be able to see Alipay recently added. Also, you should be able to see Amazon App Store since we installed WSA with Amazon App Store, but we can try to see if we can open it. Yes, we are able to open it, but you need to have a US IP address, public IP address to log in, as I mentioned in my previous video. So in that video, I showed you how to use VPN to connect into the US VPN gateway and get the US IP address. Then you can log into Amazon.com. It's only available for US IP address. But we don't need to use Amazon App Store to install this Android application. We can use an Alipay directly, which we use ADP installed. So as you can see, we installed this Alipay program already. Now you can just use your original phone number to log in to this Alipay program. So that's all I want to show you: how to install Windows System for Android, how to install Android apps into your Windows 11 system, even your system is not meeting the requirement from Microsoft. Thank you for watching my video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you find this video has some useful information to you, please give me a thumb up. Also, if you want to get more updates from my weekly videos, please hit the bell button. Also subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching. See you in my next episode.